Hi, I'm Charity Robinson.
And I'm Robert Robinson.
And we have just purchased our new home from our agent with the Jim Allen Group, Tim McBrayer. He was a joy to work with.
Tim helped us out with the builder on several negotiation points, and everything that we wanted has been done.
I honestly didn't know if we would need an agent when we first walked in, but Tim proved his value over and over. He really helped us so much with negotiating, advising. I can't thank him enough. It was great.
And now that we're in the home, we are very happy with the home. And as my wife said, Tim helped with a number of negotiating points, as well as several suggestions that we were able to incorporate into the house ourselves.
Well, it was a pleasure working with both of you and also helping you sell your old home. We can now say old home. We used to say current home.
Yes, the old home.
But that's under contract. We'll be closing very soon. And it has been a pleasure. And the fact that you picked a good builder, Ron Braswell, certainly helped as well because he's a fine home builder.
Yes.
We enjoyed working with Ron. He was great.
Yeah, and again, whatever we wanted, he said, let's talk about it, and told us the pros and cons of it, and let us make the decision.
So it doesn't hurt to work with an Auburn fan. It's okay to do that. Since I'm from Georgia, I mean, we've had this running friendly battle. I think I lost the first 20 and you lost the second 20 last season.
Because we played twice.
That's right.
Year. That's right. So.
Well, it's been a great experience for me. You guys are so easy to work with, and you've really made the process for me to be enjoyable. And I appreciate the fact that you stopped by during that Parade Home open house, and we met, and one thing led to another, and here we are many months later. You've been in your home now just about a week?
Two weeks.
Oh, that's right, 2 weeks, yes.
Almost 2 weeks.
My, how time flies when you're having fun.
2 weeks in, we're still moving in. So.
Well, thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.